Alright, I'm going to do a quick review here. I ordered this saw months ago, and just because it says it will cut steel, and it was cheap, and so we figured we'd take a risk on her. It's the American version, and we're gonna fire it up and try to cut this piece of steel, and we're going to see how it does. Well, it came reasonably well packed. It's form-fitted styrofoam. Comes with some blades, at least two, and well, three. Comes with 3 blades. The manual, some brushes and shit we'll probably ignore. And some little and the bag to catch the crap. So I'll get this thing, get the zip ties cut off, figure out which blade it needs, and we'll be back. Well, we got her plugged in, and it ain't DOA, so we fired it up. And here's why they say it works on metal. Now it has a metal cutting blade on it, if you can see. It's got a laser that you can turn on and off, show you your cut line. Hopefully, we'll see. I don't even know if it's going to cut this, so let's try to clamp this down up better though. Now, everything I've read about all these saws, it seems to matter not which one, is that they are loud and noisy, so make sure you got some of them. All right, let's see what happens, shall we? Nice and slow. Hell, and it's cold and it's clean. And let me grab a tape and I'll show you what we cut here if you can't tell. This is 1/4 inch thick angle iron, and mild steel, not super hard or anything, but yeah, this thing's a bargain. Buy one. We'll see how it lasts and if it's durable, but so far I am completely impressed with a Tacklife wonderment thing, man. I mean, I don't know what else to do with it except say cut 1/4 inch angle, and it did it cold and it did it clean. And we'll get into more details and let you know if it does 45s and whatnot later. All right, well, it cut these, made these 4 cuts without an issue. There are some things I mean, for the price and the quality and what it does, there's only so much bitching I can do. But the things I would bitch about, the plastic feels pretty damn cheesy. The scale down here is not adjustable, but I got a Delta miter saw over there. I didn't, and a DeWalt. I don't, but I needed one to replace the abrasive, dust making, spark throwing abrasive chop saw. And I think for most things this will probably do. The other thing I don't like about it, I do not like the blade arbor. It's well, I'll show you. It's got a real big hole in it, which I don't have a problem with the size of the hole, except the arbor is not that size. And so they have a machined hardened washer that makes up the slack, and that's just another something to lose and another something to line up, and yeah, not the world's best idea there. But I mean, hell, at least I can understand unlike my radio controlled cars I get from China, at least it's the language that's written on it I can understand. So yeah, I can now I wouldn't necessarily, I bought this because I just wanted to see if it even was worth a damn. I figured if it wasn't, it'd just end up at Goodwill and I'd be out a couple $100. But I figured it was worth the try, and if you were running a commercial fab shop, no. But I just have my fab area set up to do what I fab for myself, man. I'm not working for other people. I'm not, I'll use this thing a dozen times a year, maybe, on a few projects, But for that, I think it's great, man. If you're gonna want more out of it, buy a jet.